Welcome back, Future Medicos. Today, AIMS has conducted the first round of stray vacancy round. Isn't it funny that stray vacancy round has to go one round, two round, three rounds, right? Completely meaningless, but anyway, they have conducted one round of stray vacancy today where they have called candidates with a very, very high rank, almost like the top 2000, 2500 ranks they have called. And as expected, the seats were not filled. We do not know exactly how many seats are still lying vacant, but I believe at least around 90-95% of the seats should still be vacant. Now they have called for the stray vacancy round 2, and they have asked candidates to register for the stray vacancy round 2. Now this is the notification. I will go through the notification. So if you are interested, you can participate in this stray vacancy round, but it's not going to be easier. It's going to be slightly tougher. The time is not available. So those who are able to maybe fly to New Delhi, or maybe those who are already there in New Delhi, maybe they are at a slightly better advantage. If you want to take a train or bus, maybe those candidates might find extremely difficult, particularly candidates from the south. I think they may not be able to participate unless they fly. So let's look at the eligibility condition. The first condition, candidates must have registered for stray vacancy round in MCC. So your name should be there in the eligibility list published by MCC. The second condition, candidates must not be holding any seat. The third condition, candidates must be physically present in Delhi and be in possession of original certificates at the time of stray vacancy round. So these three conditions you must fulfill. Only if you can fulfill, think about the stray vacancy round. Now, what is the process? The process is you need to register afresh on AIMS website, which is the website aimsexams.org. So if you have registered earlier, there was a registration form earlier, forget about that. You need to register fresh. Even though you have registered earlier, forget about that. That registration is only for 12th January. That is over. Now you need to do a fresh registration until 13th January 5 p.m. Okay. The registration will be available until 13th January 5 p.m. That is tomorrow evening 5 o'clock. The registration form has not opened yet. I will tell you when it is going to open. In fact, you need to make a payment earlier. First make the payment and then start registration. So how much is the payment? It's a 25,000 deposit. Is basically a security deposit. This is mainly to prevent everyone registering. So if you are interested, if you can make it to Delhi, then you register. So you need to pay a 25,000 security deposit through RTGS or NEFT. I will show you the account number. The account number is provided in the second page. So this is the account number. Name of the bank, State Bank of India. Branch name is given, right? These are the details of the bank. Make sure that you make a payment of 25,000 to this account. Take a printout of the electronic transfer, and then you should be able to show the transaction ID, amount transferred, and the date of electronic transfer. And you need to scan and upload these while you are registering. So what is the first step you need to do if you are interested? You need to make a payment of 25,000 through RTGS or NEFT. Now, what is the time at which the registration starts? The registration is going to start at 12th January, 8:30 p.m. So still it's not open. Now it is only 7 o'clock. So 8:30 p.m. the registration will open. So you need to make a payment first, take a printout of the transaction slip, and then you start your registration. The registration link is not provided. Maybe after 8:30 p.m. you can go to aimsexams.org and check for the link for registration. And you need to enter the details of the security deposit while registering. Okay, take note that security deposit will be forfeited. You will lose the security deposit in these conditions. One, if you provide an incorrect information while registering, you will lose the money. Second, ineligible candidates. That means your name is not in the MCC list, but you still go and register. Then in that case also, you will lose the security deposit. Number three, everything is fine. You have registered, your name is in the MCC list, but unfortunately, you are not going to Delhi on the counseling day. Then again, you will lose the money. So think carefully before you pay the money. Now, who will get the security deposit back? Anyone who registers properly, whose name is there in the MCC list, and then they also come for the stay vacancy round in person. And in spite of that, they don't get a seat, then they will get the security deposit refunded. And in case if you get a seat is allotted to you, but you leave, you are not joining the college, then there will be a penalty of 1 lakh rupees. Now, when you need to report for counseling, some candidates have gone today and they have completed the document verification. And those candidates who have already completed the document verification, you can go to the counseling venue at 12 noon on 14 January. So 14 January is when the counseling is going to happen, 14 January. So if you have already done the document verification, you can go to the Jawaharlal Auditorium, AIMS, New Delhi at 12 noon. That's sufficient. But in case if you have not done the document verification, then you need to be there at the community hall at 9 a.m. Now, who can go for this? Only candidates who are above the cutoff rank. Okay, once again, AIMS will display another list on 13 January 2021 evening. So 5 p.m. the registration closes. So maybe after 5 p.m. they may provide a list, and if your name is in that list, or maybe they provide a cutoff rank, and if your rank is above that cutoff rank, then you can attend the counseling. So I do not know how people will come to Delhi after knowing 13 January evening they are qualified, and then how they will reach by 14 January 9 a.m. I don't know, right? But only AIMS knows the answer. It's very unfair, but this is how the counseling is happening. Once again, in case if seats are remaining vacant after 14 January, which I hope is not, then they will have another round of cutoff rank list. But anyway, as of now, let's assume that 14 January, all the seats will be taken. So what you need to do now, number one, make a payment of 25,000. The bank details are given. Number two, log in to aimsexams.org website after 8:30 p.m. today and make the registration. Then wait for the rank list to be released. Then go to AIMS New Delhi at 9 a.m. on 14 January 2021. So this is the details provided by AIMS for the stray vacancy round 2. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment below. I will try to help you. Thank you. Bye bye.